Hydro X5 pressure washer, legit or scam? What is it? The Hydro X5 is a portable, cordless pressure washer marketed for household cleaning tasks like washing cars, patios, and windows. It features a rechargeable battery, multiple spray settings, and a foam cannon attachment. Customer reviews, mixed experience. Pros: some users find it useful for light-duty tasks. Its portability and ease of use are appreciated, especially where traditional power washers are too bulky. Cons: many users report that the pressure is weak and not suitable for tougher cleaning jobs. Complaints about the need to pump frequently to maintain water pressure. Durability is a concern. Some customers say the device stopped working shortly after purchase. Customer service and warranty support are reportedly lacking. Concerns: red flags. Aggressive online advertising. The product is heavily promoted on social media, often with exaggerated claims. Quality issues. Some units appear to be rebrand generic products. Return problems. Several users have experienced difficulties with returns or refunds. Conclusion: caution advised. The Hydro X5 may be legitimate but doesn't live up to the performance expectations of a typical pressure washer. It's best suited for light, occasional cleaning. If you need something more powerful or reliable, consider pressure washers from established brands like Karcher, Sunjo, or Bosch. Recommended alternatives: Sunjo SPX 3000, affordable and powerful, good for home use. Karcher K2 or K3, trusted brand with a strong support network. Greenworks electric pressure washer, known for reliability and customer satisfaction. If you are considering the Hydro X5, weigh the convenience against the potential shortcomings in power and durability.